Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to share a Notebook LM project. Let's get started. First, open your project in Notebook LM. Next, go to the top right corner of the screen and click the Share button. A sharing window will appear where you can enter the email addresses of the people that you want to share the project with. Then here you can choose the permission level, such as viewer or editor, depending on whether you want them to only view or edit the project. You can also copy the shareable link and send it directly to others. Once they receive the link or invitation, they'll be able to access the Notebook LM project and collaborate with you. And that's it. That's how you share a Notebook LM project. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.